everyone, welcome to the M Geographies. Today is Sunday special class of English, and in this introductory video I will introduce you with some basic rules of learning English. So English learning is a very difficult task because it needs a lot of time and practice. First thing you need to do is a good startup. For a good startup, I will tell you the method that how to build up your vocabulary and how to start to learn English in a better way. And for this, we need a lot of time. It is a gradual process. So, practice English on a daily basis. Okay? So, practice is the most important thing of learning English. Without practice, we can't learn English. तो ये वीडियो आपको सिर्फ देखनी नहीं है और इसमें आपको क्या करना है, बी एक्टिवली पार्टिसिपेट विद मी सो दैट यू कैन लर्न इंग्लिश. तो जो भी न्यू वर्ड्स आप सीख रहे हैं उनको इमीडिएटली अपनी नोटबुक में लिखें एंड स्पीक देम अलाउड विद मी. यू कैन पॉज द वीडियो फॉर अ वाइल एंड से द वर्ड्स लाउडली एंड अंडरस्टैंड देयर मीनिंग्स. सो यूज योर pen and voice. Use your pen and voice, not just your eyes and mind. Okay? Next most important thing to learn English is to master the pronunciation system. Pronunciation में बहुत mistakes करते हैं हम, तो वर्ड्स को सही तरीके से बोलना इज टू मास्टर द प्रोनाउंसिएशन. कंसीडर दिस वर्ड. हाउ विल यू प्रोनाउंस दिस? इट इज प्रोनाउंस्ड लाइक दिस, नॉर्थ. आर रिमेन्स साइलेंट इन दिस वर्ड. मदर, मदर में भी आर साइलेंट होता है. प्रोनाउंसिएशन की बात कर रहे हैं और प्रोनाउंसिएशन को ही कई बार रॉन्गली प्रोनाउंस्ड कर दिया जाता है. सो इट इज नॉट प्रोनाउंसिएशन, इट इज प्रोनाउंसिएशन. एंड द मोस्ट कॉमन एरर वी कैन सी इन द प्रोनाउंसिएशन ऑफ दिस वर्ड. हाउ विल यू प्रोनाउंस दिस? इट इज development. Speak with me. Development. लेकिन most of the students wrongly pronounce this word as development or development, but these are wrong. Development is the right pronunciation of this word. So be careful while pronouncing the words. Use a good dictionary and learn them while speaking. So speaking is the most important thing to learn the pronunciation of English. Next important thing in learning English is the etymology. What is etymology? Etymology deals with the origin of words. It deals with the root words. इट मीन्स कि हमें रूट वर्ड को समझना है. रूट वर्ड्स अगर हमने समझ लिए तो वी कैन इजीली अंडरस्टैंड द मीनिंग्स ऑफ सो मैनी वर्ड्स. वी कैन इजीली अनलॉक द मीनिंग्स ऑफ अप टू 10 or 20 वर्ड्स इन विच द रूट अपीयर्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ईगो. ईगो इज अ रूट वर्ड विच मीन्स your sense of thinking that you are better, you are important, that is ego. अगर ये रूट वर्ड समझ लिया तो we can easily get a grasp on words such as egocentric. It means egocentric. It means the thinking that you are better, egocentric, and egoist. Egoist, the person who thinks that he is better. Egoism, all these have similar meanings. Egomania, the mental condition of thinking that we are better. तो एक वर्ड ईगो को लर्न कर लिया तो हमने कितने सारे वर्ड्स ऐसे ही लर्न कर लिए. सो बी कंसंट्रेट while learning the etymology of words. After knowing the importance of pronunciation and etymology, and we should know how to use parts of speech in sentences. For this particular topic, I will make a detailed video that how to use parts of speech in sentences and what are they, what are the nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives. All these doubts I will solve in next video. And till then, space your learning, follow the rules, and do as much practice as you can, because practice makes a man perfect and fluent in English. So, and the most important thing is, do not rush. Go at your own comfortable speed. Good luck. For more updates, please subscribe to my channel.